still standing. I've been smiling with a storm in my chest, holding it together like a pretty little test. Love too hard, got left in the cold. Now my heart got wiser, my spirit got bold. They call me too much when I ask for peace. So I learned my value don't come with the least. I was pouring from a cup with a crack. Now I'm feeling it slow, and I'm taking it back. This is my comeback. Tears dry, but I won't backtrack. I can cry in the mirror, then fight it. Put my crown back where the pain can't find it. I don't beg, I don't chase, I don't fold. I'm soft, but my boundaries gold. They don't run this world, no, not anymore. We do. I was blaming myself for your missing parts, trying to sell your love with my open heart. But love ain't proof when it hurts like that. Love don't vanish and slide right back. Now I dance with my fear, I don't hide it. If it costs me my peace, I decline it. I don't need almost, I need for sure. I'm not hard to love, just done being loved poor. I don't need him to validate what I already am. I turn bruises into music and loneliness to play. But I won't backtrack. I can cry in the mirror, then fight it. Put my crown back where the pain can't find it. I don't beg, I don't chase, I don't fold. I'm soft, but my boundaries gold. They don't run this world, no, not anymore. We do. To the woman who stayed too long, breathe. You weren't weak, you were hoping. Let it hurt, let it pass, but don't let it live in you. You deserve love that doesn't punish you for needing it. We do.